Okay, so now we're going to put the guru bead on. So you need your needle and you need your guru bead. So what you're going to do, I'm going to put this down here so you can see. Oh dear. I don't know why this is, okay. So I always start, so one end of your mala will have the end with the loop. It'll have a longer string and it'll have a loop. And then the other end will have the two strings from the knot at the beginning. So I always do the two strings first because it's thicker and oftentimes it's can be a little bit more of a challenge because of the thickness to get through the guru bead. So I always do that first and then I do the single strand next. So what you want to do is take this string and your needle and put your needle in the middle, like the distance between the bead and the end of the string. Put your needle in the middle of that so that your needle is in between the string. The string is in between the needle. And so basically then the string should fold in half like so. And then you want to take your guru bead and put it through, put the needle through the guru bead and then pull the string out so that you then have the guru bead is now on the string all the way up to the knot by your first bead. Okay. Then you're going to take the string with the loop and you're going to put your needle through the loop like so. And then you're going to take the guru bead and you're going to move it down a little bit on the string that it's already on. And then you're going to take the needle and you're going to put it also, you probably want to hold on to the very end of the string that's already through the guru bead just to make sure that the guru bead doesn't slip off of the string because then you'll have to redo it. So then you want to take this needle and you want to put the needle through the hole of the guru bead and pull this side of the string through. You can take your needle out then and just pull the string through. And you want to pull the string all the way through until the last knot is then up to the base of the guru bead. So then it should basically look like this. So both ends, both knots on each end, yep, perfect. Both ends on from each knot should be snug up against the guru bead. Okay. And so once that happens, then you want to separate the two pieces of string. So you want to take your two short pieces of string and have them in one hand because they're one set of string. And then you want to have the loop end in your other hand, doesn't matter which hand, but you want to have these two pieces of string in your other hand because these are the pieces of string that you're going to tie together to tie your guru bead and your tassel together. So they're separated like this, okay? And you want to, I would give them a good tug, a good pull to make sure that your guru bead is up tight against the knots of your mala. And then I would make a knot, just make one single, not a knot, excuse me, make one single loop. And you're basically going to just tie one single time and give it a really good tug So you basically tie, you are creating a single knot at the end of the guru bead, so that it's on there pretty snug. Okay. Okay. Now that is pretty much the guru bead, and the guru bead is attached. So I'm going to stop this, and then the next recording will be the tassel.